Welcome back to Excel Tech. In this video, we are going to see one of our subscribers has requested to create a video for Dsum function. Yes, in this video, we are going to see how to use a Dsum function and what is basic difference between sum and Dsum. Let's move on to this video and see how to use Dsum function in Excel. So we have a sample data with each quarter and product wise sales value. So to total everything, I can simply use a sum function. But if I need to total only for Q1 laptop or total Q1 sales or total laptop sales alone or Q1 laptop sales alone, in this case we can use a Dsum function. The syntax for Dsum is type equal to Dsum open bracket database, select your entire database with the header, comma field, which field you want to calculate, comma criteria. So your criteria you need to select. You can select a multiple criteria, but the minimum you need to give one criteria to use a Dsum function. Once you select everything, hit the enter, you will get the output for your criteria. So this Dsum function was available from Excel 2000 version, which means it's available in most of the versions. Let's apply this Dsum function. So I want to calculate Q1 laptop sales alone. So in order to do that, type equal to Dsum, select your database with the header, comma, type the field. So which field you want to calculate? You just need to key the header name. So here it's a sales. You can also select this from the cell value, comma criteria. Your criteria also you need to select with the headers. Your criteria header should match with the database header. So Excel basically first match your headers. If the header is matching, then go with your criteria and give you the output. Now you can close bracket and hit the enter. Q1 for laptop is 4,32,000 that we can get in a result. Now let's change this laptop to projector. For the Q1, projector sales value is 2,27,000. Now I just want to know the total sales of Q1. So in this case, you don't need to again retype entire formula. Simply delete the criteria from the product header. The moment you delete the criteria, it will just calculate for the available criteria. I just selected the Q1 sales. In status bar, you can able to see the sum value, which is exactly matching with our result. Now I just want to calculate the sales for laptop. I'm just selecting the laptop again. Immediately the result has been changed. Let's select laptop one by one and match with the total. In status bar, I can get the same result. We can go ahead and try with the one more additional criteria here. I want to calculate if Q1 laptop sales is greater than 1 lakh. So let's use the Dsum function. I can select my database. In field, I am just selecting from the cell, comma, my criteria. So select the criteria with the header and hit the enter. So Q1 laptop sales is 4.32 lakhs, which we get as output. So if I change this to lesser than 1 lakh, the output will be 0 because the Q1 laptop sales is greater than the 1 lakh. If I change this to keyboard, the keyboard sales is lesser than 1 lakh for the Q1. So we can get the output as 78k. Now I just want to know keyboard total sales which is lesser than 1 lakh. I just delete the Q1. Immediately the value will be updated. Let's go ahead and verify this. I will select the keyboard value which is lesser than 1 lakh one by one. And the value between status bar and the result should exactly match now. Likewise, you can use the Dsum function in Excel. You can extend this to multiple criteria. The only restriction is the criteria header name always match with your database header name and minimum one header, one value should be there to use the Dsum function. Please share your feedback about this video in comments. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you in another Excel video. Until then, bye from Arvind.